Sorry guys, it's been a long time making a vlog somewhere out here in the great natural environment. So I came here. This place is a very famous place for a birding zone that's called Khaframash, and I'm just enjoying here as the weather is changing and there is a beautiful scene around me. There are some birds around me as well. So the weather is shifting drastically. And the reason is that yesterday there was a rain over here, and after that I can feel the coolness in the air. This means the weather is changing. We are in the beginning of November. October has not yet ended, and the weather has changed nicely, and it's very pleasant to sit here. So I was just sitting today. The birds were not that much, or you can say the birds which I have already shot, photographed. So sometimes it's not there. It's not much of a charm to show them again, especially if they are at a very distance. So I just thought to make a vlog here, sit here, and to tell you guys this is also Saudi Arabia. Behind me is a lake, and there are just shrubs and bushes over here. There are some oases here in Saudi Arabia, just like that, where the birds come and they reside. And I have so many memories over here in this place. Basically, a place where the birds photography. I started my birds photography. I started to came here with some fellow birders, and always have been a great experience in this place. It's not about that we are always finding the birds here or something like that. No, but it's also a very memorable and peaceful place. But it is changing very rapidly due to human involvement and all that stuff. I'll show you. There is a train passing. As you can see, there is a train, and this is a beautiful scenery. You can see over here. This train is going to the industrial area or something like that, and you can witness a beautiful scene as well, which I'm trying to capture. It's a long, huge train. And let me show you some place. This is the lake. The water here mostly increases in winters and settle down or dry up during summers. So very beautiful place. Behind there is a road, and this road leads to Kuwait, starting from Bahrain. So the patches are muddy. You have to be careful, but sometimes you can find very good amount of birds. Now this is a huge and long train with an awesome scene. So I'm just moving ahead just to show you some of the nice reeds and water patches over here. Although it's difficult to walk here because it can be very much swampy. So in that case, you do get stuck in the mud. But you have to be careful. There can be some quicksands here as well. As I'm going ahead, the water is coming near. The birds are flying away at the moment because I'm talking. So this is also one of the things. So this place also seems to be very nice. Behind me, there are some birds flying in the water and things like that, stuff like that. There is a patch of water with a beautiful sea. The sun is setting over here. So I just had to cut off. The scene behind me is so wonderful. So I just met some hunters. They started talking with me. They are here for tax. It's a sad moment somehow, but we have to be, coexist. Uh, Place evening is setting up. You can see a cloud behind me. So the city over here, enjoying the weather today, basically. Having a zen mode, relaxing place. So I met the hunters, they're just behind me. But the point is, we have to coexist. We don't have to create, mess. I told them, you just have to, if it's for the food, okay, fine. Don't hunt for pleasure. That is the message for today. Them. But I'm loving the weather, the atmosphere, and the place actually. Very lovely place. And I'm wishing that I hope they don't find the bird they're looking for. So there is just I'm wishing. So this is the thing for today. I don't have anything much to do, but I thought to make a vlog like that over here in the nature. Uh, so I just came here and let me show you the last glimpse of the sun setting. So the evening is now here. The light is getting dimmer. It's getting dark, and it's better to leave this place. I'll try ahead in future to come here in the rain. Well, it's raining, but I'll try to stay behind on the patch, dry patch, rather than coming here in the bushes because it can get very muddy. Or I'll come with high boots. So for now, I'm ending this vlog, a short trip, short adventure, and this is how things will be. See you guys. Take care. It had been lovely experience today. The hunter just hit me. Bye bye. They're just going behind. So this is how it is. Let me go back to my car and let's upload this.